guys, welcome to our channel how to get all answers to your how to questions. In previous two videos we have seen that how to create the simple post and how to create the insert the icons in the post and how to download the post. If you have not seen, then please go and watch that videos. In today's video we are continue with the Canva series, and here I will be showing you how to frame your pic or profile pic in a Canva. Okay, for that I will be clicking opening my Canva account and create a design that is 1080. 1080 is the recommended size for all the social media. So create new design, and here you will be firstly you have to upload the file or pic you want to frame. Okay, for that I will be uploading uploads, clicking uploads, and here clicking upload media device, and here I will be choosing my pic I want to frame, that is this one. I will be framing this pic using Canva. For I will be selecting this is gets uploaded, so drag in this one side, set the size, then just go to elements, here type frame. Okay, see there is a square frame, mock-up, picture frame, photo frame, any type of frame you want to choose from this and go to first graphics. Okay, sorry, all, and here you will be finding all types of frames. See, any type of frame you can choose from your any type of frames you can choose from your this flower type, circles, rectangle, anything. Okay, I will be going for this one. This is a better look. Okay, just there and pick. Okay, just set in this order and just click the picture you want to frame, and see, take the picture into the frame. Okay, and just drop, okay, into the frame and just click there. You will be seeing that I am not able to view the frame. Okay, for that you will be outlining the frame. Okay, for that you will be typing outline. Okay, graphics, outline, and here you will be selecting circle outline. Okay, here you will find this outline and this one. Okay, then just outline this frame. Okay, see this one. I can change the color of outline also from this one or red. Okay, then if I want to resize this pic into the frame. Okay, for that I have to just send backward and this one. Okay, I will be selecting because this is a fixed size image, so this is not effective. So just see, this is an outline of the frame. Okay, just you have to now मीन्स आज हिल रहा है ना कि इधर उधर हो रहा है इमेज जो तुम मूव कर रहे हो, तो जस्ट select all and crop this. Okay, now see, I can move anywhere to this frame. Okay, in this way you are able to create the frame in this. So I will be repeating these steps again. For example, add and paste. Click add and paste if you want to add to post. Okay, this is the second page, and clicking the image, then go to frames and type here frames. Okay, and here you will be I will be choosing this frame this side, image this side. Click the image and take the image into the frame and just drop and drag. Okay, now I will be giving the outlining to this. I will be writing rectangle outline. Okay, this one, rectangle graphics, this one. Okay, I will be choosing this and going to, sorry, I have to choose the square outline. Okay, square outline, getting this somewhat better like this. Okay, now I have to select all these things together and just click group. Okay, now I can move anything anywhere. Okay, now I have framed, and then let me download this from this one, PNG. select the page you want to. Okay, if you select all 2 pages, then it will be created the zip files for you. Okay, I will be selecting one, download, and see my pic is gets framed and downloaded. See, I have to view like this. Okay, hope you have understand how to frame your pics in the Canva using the elements called frames. So thank you for listening me, and please like, share and comment करना ना भूलियो, and please आपने how to questions post कर दीजिए so that we can make a good stuff for you. Thank you so much for listening.